blue color, black color, yellow color. I learned capital letter A for alligator, B for broccoli, C for cherry, D for dolphin, E for elephant, F for fan, G for grapes, H for hat, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon. Let's counting number 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's paint green color. Capital letter A for aeroplane. B for banana. C for cow. D for dolphin. E for egg. F for flower. G for gorilla. Yellow color. H for horse. I for ink pot. J for jar. K for king. L for lollipop. M for moon. Let's number. Below color number 0.
Alligator ant. Amazing art. 1, 2, 3, let's go. A, B, C, count.
1,
Rhythm band. 1, 2, 3, we're singing all together. A, B, C, count the rhythm band. 1,
number 2,
3, we're singing all together. A, B, C, rhythm and 1, 2, 3. We're singing all together. A, B, C. Count the rhythm and 1, 2, 3.
Number 4.
Singing all together. Yeah, let's see a list of words that start with the letter A. Apple, angel, address, animal, answer.
And number 5.
Autumn, ambulance, airplane, arrow. Alligator.
Let's repeat. Learn with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Let's counting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I hope you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe for next part. I meet you next video. See you. Bye.